講嘢啦，你哋。
呢個就係This is Judah。
No, lion， I'm not Judah。
呢個係拉人弟兄，咁咧佢係今日咧俾到我哋咧睇到呢個 collar。但係咧佢哋個會堂咧係一個禮拜3次可以俾
會眾。
woman and man can hold the collar。
You're asking me? My answer is yes.
Yes.
Some people think that women know, but I think that's left over from periods of great chauvinism. You know chauvinism, where the woman is down and the man is up. From old times. Not good.
This is a place.
Every Shabbat, every Saturday, we take it out and we read a section, and we read continuously. Not here, there, in a straight line. This part, and then the next week this part, the next week this part. In 1 year, we complete from the beginning to the end. And that the day of the year that we finish is always the same year. Today, it's the Feast of Tabernacles. It's Simchat Torah.
The very big day.
Yeah.
Today also from last night 6 o'clock up to
Yeah. From when the sun goes down till the sun goes down again.
So today you also have a dance.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Yes, and again tonight. Tonight is not in the synagogue. Tonight is in the streets. Which is very nice. Yes. Tonight is in the streets.